Previously on Extreme Tinder Makeover. We took Devin to the park to get one of the highest success rate photos you could include on your Tinder profile, the dog photo. But we're not stopping there. There's a single photo that will completely separate your profile from all other men on dating apps. And in this video, we're gonna show you how to pull it off. So if you haven't yet, pound that like button, hit subscribe, and buckle up for this episode of Extreme Tinder Makeover.
Smells like pizza, bad decisions, and regret.
That's exactly what we're going for, buddy.
The big three.
I can't see a thing. Go right, go right, go right.
Come on in.
Go straight.
Follow the smell of the pizza, buddy.
Actually, yeah. Because I'm actually pretty claustrophobic.
What's your biggest fear?
Going back to my ex, I don't want to ever see her again.
Right. Holding someone's bicep right now.
Yeah.
Chad, you've been hitting the gym lately.
All right, buddy. You ready for the big reveal here?
The big moment. Yeah, it's
Let's
about
go.
time.
Come on out here.
Going outside?
Yep.
Oh, fuck.
Whenever you're ready, take off the blindfold.
Holy shit. This is unreal.
Dude, it's actually a beautiful view, eh?
It is.
Dude,
No,
take
it's
that in.
crazy.
This Tinder makeover was all about making you feel like a king. So it's only fitting that we brought you to literally the best view of the city.
I don't know if there is a better view.
What goes through your mind when you take a look at this view and see all these new heights?
How much is this person paying is the first thing that goes through my mind. But the second thing is, wow, Toronto's so big, the city's so big.
Toronto's so big. So many beautiful women are out there waiting to find a man just like you.
And I saw him on the way here.
I think your confidence is an all-time high. And what I think we should do with that confidence is use that towards your Tinder profile, bring out that positive energy you're feeling right now, and bring out the social proof photo. Social proof is by far one of the most important aspects of a Tinder profile that the average man is missing out on. And it's not hard to do. All you have to do is take candid photos that show you in a social environment, show that you're the leader in social situations, and show girls that you're not the guy who lives in his mom's basement playing Minecraft every night, but you're a social guy. You go out, you know how to have a fun time, and if she meets up with you for a date, you're not gonna be weird. It's literally social proof. Proof that you're a social person and a really fun guy to be around. I personally love taking these photos on nice condos in urban environments where you can kind of show off a bit of a view and really show that when you're with your friends, you're the life of the party and you're a fun guy to be around. In my ultimate online dating profile guide, the Matchbook, the social proof photo is included in the optimized profile template. Dating apps are a numbers game, guys, and if you're not working with a large pool of matches to begin with, your chances of success are very low. I've reviewed thousands of profiles, and I can confidently say that most men are making a few common mistakes that, if fixed, would result in more matches than they could even handle. So if you want to take the guesswork out of the equation, start getting more matches, getting more dates with beautiful women on dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge, go on over to wingmanplus.com and grab your copy of the Matchbook. In addition to the optimized profile template, I've also included over 50 sample photos, over 50 sample bios. I'm literally laying out the exact strategy I use to get over 1,000 matches in less than 6 weeks. So if you guys want to level up your online dating life, hit the link down in the description of this video. Yo, Devin, come here for a sec. Devin, I know when we first started this experience, bro, the story of you and your ex, heartbreaking, man.
Well, I caught her cheating on me.
I don't think any man should have to go through anything like that. And Shane said something that really hit me.
Yeah, he never got the closure he needs.
I've had some tough breakups too, with no closure, where, you know, my girl left me for her personal trainer. And I know how that eats away at a man. Closure is something that allows our soul to heal. And I know as someone who's been through that, you need this more than anything, Devin. And this isn't gonna be easy, but what I want you to do is I want you to put pen to paper here, and I want you to tell her how you feel. Everything that you could say to her face right now, I want you to put on this piece of paper.
I don't know if I can.
If you can't put the pen to paper, that's okay, but I'm gonna leave you here with this notebook. I'm gonna leave the pen open, and I'm just gonna let you do your thing. When you're done, just come meet us back on the balcony, okay?
Okay.
Devin, buddy, I know you just wrote the letter. I'm not gonna ask you to read it. You know what you need to do.
Okay.
You got this, buddy.
It's all in the past now. I couldn't let it go for the longest time. And I just want to thank you and you for helping me come out of my shell. It's in the past now.
Let it burn, buddy, let it burn.
It's for the better. Thinking about our past, I'm thinking about everything that happened. Thinking about me walking in when she was banging those guys. I know it sounds funny. It sounds, oh yeah, it's hilarious, but it really hurt me for months on end. And I just couldn't get away from it. I couldn't get it out of my head. The images of those guys banging her on my fucking bed.
This is the closure you needed, Devin. This is it.
Just let it out.
It's okay.
Be okay? Do you want to take a sec? Everyone thinks it's a fucking joke. When I tell people that my girlfriend got banged by multiple guys, everyone just laughs, but it fucking tormented me for months. Horrible, and no man should ever go through that. But that's in the past now.
In a way, bro, she did you a favor.
I agree.
Not only did we bring your confidence to a new level today, but we're bringing this show, Tinder Makeover, to new levels. So if you guys like this content, feel free to tag Netflix in all of my posts on Instagram so that they see this and that they put this on Netflix. That'd be huge. I don't know. What do you guys think? Netflix, if you're watching this, you guys need this content. No one in the world is making content like this.
They have to have it. They have to have it.
Coming up on Extreme Tinder Makeover, short kings rejoice. If your height is below average, it can feel like an uphill battle on dating apps. But in the next episode, we're gonna show you how to overcome that by using relative height to your advantage. Plus, I will show you a photo hack that will literally make you look 6 inches taller. So if you haven't yet, pound that like button, hit subscribe, and we will see you next week.
When I tell people that my girlfriend got banged by multiple guys, it tormented me for months.
Well done.
That's good poker right there.
It's not funny.
What's going on? What is it?